Welcome to Enhanced CPD Pro, designed to guide you effortlessly through the essential 4 steps of CPD: plan, do, reflect, and record. Seamlessly navigate through these steps, ensuring each moment invested advances your professional growth. Let Enhanced CPD Pro handle the details while you cultivate a habit of lifelong learning. In this video, we'll guide you on using the Enhanced CPD Pro app. We'll start with your PDP. We'll then explore the courses within the app. This will lead us to a brief section on reflective notes. And we'll conclude with the recording of your activities. Let's get started with your PDP. We'll start with your statements. Tap the 3 dots to edit your PDP statements. Welcome to your personal roadmap to professional growth. The first step to creating a meaningful PDP is to think about your goals and how to achieve them. With our PDP, crafting clear statements about where you are now, where you want to go, and how you plan to get there is a breeze. Far from a mere formality, these statements bring clarity to your CPD journey, guiding your professional development activities and enabling measurable progress. Moreover, they're completely in sync with the GDC's standards. This means that as you pursue your professional growth, you're also meeting industry expectations and contributing to consistently superior patient care. Experiencing writer's block? No worries. Our Guidance tab offers examples to spark your inspiration. And once you've got a few ideas, let the AI assist you. Type in your ideas. Press the button, give it a couple of seconds, and let the magic unfold. Do the same for your goals. Wait a few seconds, and then move on to your intentions. The AI is trained to offer inspirational insights, and you can tweak these statements whenever you need. Now that you've stated your high-level goals for this year's PDP, it's time to define them so that you know exactly what steps are needed to achieve them. Tap your PDP to open it. You'll see a preset goal, a starter from us. It's designed to align exactly with GDC minimum CPD requirements. Now tap the goal to open it. You'll find that it has been defined clearly with a title and a description. Scrolling down, you'll find specific action items. Completing these actions brings you closer to achieving your goal. In this case, they're all CPD courses in the topics defined by the GDC as recommended and highly recommended. Every course you finish brings you closer to your goal. You can also add custom actions for any other objectives you need to accomplish. It's simple and efficient. Click the button, fill out the details, and it'll be added to your goal. Again, it's marked as pending until you complete it. Creating new goals is straightforward. Whether it's mastering a new procedure or deepening your knowledge in a certain area, simply set the goal type, name it, and jot down a description. And because success looks different for everyone, decide what outcomes mean goal achieved for you. Don't forget to set a target date, and voila, you're all set to conquer your new goal. Here's where the real fun begins. It's time to figure out the stepping stones to reaching your goal. Courses you want to take, activities or tasks you need to perform. It's your journey, and every step takes you closer to your goal. To attach a course to your goal, all it takes is a simple tap. Your professional growth is literally at your fingertips. Want a glimpse of your past goals and progress? It's just a tap away in the Others tab. You can also create your future PDPs here by tapping on the year you want to set up. Now let's dive into our CPD library, filled with hundreds of courses spanning a wealth of topics. For your convenience, we've separated out all of the GDC recommended and highly recommended topics. If you're looking for more, then venture beyond. Here, an array of topics from career to clinical to practice management are neatly grouped, waiting for your exploration. When a course catches your eye and aligns with your goals, simply tap the like button to swiftly add it to your PDP list. Remember, as a subscriber, you enjoy unlimited access to all our courses, so feel empowered to curate a learning journey that's uniquely yours. No limit, no bounds, just infinite possibilities. For more information about a course, just tap on it. Navigate through the different screens to uncover a detailed description, a list of insightful learning objectives, and anticipated outcomes. Discover a comprehensive course outline that lays out the learning path just for you. So go on, unravel the details, and let your curiosity guide you. And don't worry if you change your mind. It's just as easy to unlike a course and remove it from your PDP choices. Okay, got a course in mind for a specific goal? Let's go back to your PDP screen and open the goal. Just tap the course and it will be added instantly. The red crosses indicate that these tasks haven't yet been completed. To start a course, just press Start. All our courses are accessible in text format, and we're actively converting them all into audio and video. When a course becomes available in a new format, a button will automatically appear on the screen, offering you the choice to access that format. You're not just bound to one learning style. Whether you prefer reading, watching, or listening, we've got you covered. While engaging with the course, you have the freedom to jot down your thoughts in real time. No need to worry about saving them. It's all automatic. If you're looking for a bit of guidance on framing your thoughts, we've got your back. Our AI takes a dive into the course content and generates a structured reflective framework based on the 6 steps of Gibbs' reflective cycle. This helps foster insightful reflections, adding more depth to your learning experience. And you can choose to include these notes on your certificate. But regardless of your choice, all reflections are safely stored in your personal CPD log. When you're ready to test your knowledge, hit that assessment button and tackle the questions. Aim for an 80% score, and please don't forget to share your course feedback. It's a valuable resource that helps us continue to enhance our offerings. You'll also have a chance to review your notes, and you can even set a reminder date to reflect on outcomes in the future. Once you complete these steps, your CPD log gets an instant update with your newly minted certificate and recorded activity. This also marks the completion of this activity within your goal. Notice that the red cross has changed to a green check mark for the completed course. Let's now move to the final stage and look at how your activities are recorded. Head to the Record section of the app to check your stats. Press Details to see a list of all of your CPD, and tap any record to see your certificate and the full details of the course or activity. It's also easy to add CPD that you've gained outside of the app. If it's a single record, you might want to do this manually. The Quick Add screen lets you add the essentials, and there's an option to add more detailed information about the activity. If you've got lots of records stored in different places online, you may prefer to use an automatic importer. If you use a service that isn't listed, just hit the Request button and we'll add it for you within a couple of days. Congratulations! You've embarked on the transformative journey of Enhanced CPD. And with the Enhanced CPD Pro app, you're not just keeping pace with your professional development, you're redefining it.